everybody, welcome to Doing Stuff with Perry. Today we're in My Window Solutions showroom. This show is brought to you by My Window Solutions. They are our one and only sponsor. We thank them for the use of the showroom and the ability to do these shots. Today we're going to be talking about sliding glass windows. Very simple video today. We're going to try to buzz through this real quick. First thing we're going to talk about is, what do you call a sliding glass window? Some people call them horizontal sliders. You're going to hear in the industry XOs and OXs. What's that about? X's slide and O's are fixed, and they're always on the outside looking in. So this is an XO. If it was fixed and sliding over here, it would be an OX. Super simple. If you have three panels, X, O, X. If the sliding panel is next to that, so they slide to the middle. Very simple on sliding windows and how you tell them, but they're always read from the outside. Another thing to look at on these windows, these are retrofits. You're going to notice this flange on the outside. You'll see different brands have different looks on their flanges. Windows in general, that's going to be the style of how the window's going to look on your house. You're also going to see a little weep hole cover here and an uncovered one here, but all windows are going to have a drain hole. That's going to allow any water that would be hosed on, driving rain that got in the track of the window, the sliding track. It can drain to the outside. It's okay for water to get in there, but it needs to get to the outside, and it's got these holes. So that's pretty much sums up the outside of the window. We're going to move on to the inside and talk about some pretty simple things that maintenance, pulling it apart, changing a wheel, that kind of stuff.
My Window Solutions specializes in window and door replacement, offering top brand choices for windows and doors, blinds and shutters, security screens, no pressure, fair priced sales, unmatched quality of installation, and back-end service and support. Go to mywindowsolutions.com for a free in-home consultation.
Okay, so we're going to talk about different kinds of sliding windows here, or at least locks and different brands. Simonton here showing with their automatic lock. You just pull the tab, slide the window, locks automatically. Anlin's shown over here on their panoramic with a traditional lock. Down is locked, up is unlocked. Slide the window, replace the position, and lock it back down. On some of the windows, we'll get Bryce to come in here with the camera. You see this one has what we call a vent lock. Pop it up with your finger, stops the window, gives you a little bit of security, a little bit of ventilation. Those are replaceable, they just pop out, so if you do damage them. To service your window, you want to slide it past the stopper block at the top. There's going to be a security block at the top that prevents the window from coming up. Once you're past that, lift up and pull the bottom of the window out. That's going to allow you access to the wheels. You can visually inspect your wheels, make sure they're not clogged with dirt. If you take a knife, putty knife, any sort of a kitchen knife, these wheels are very serviceable, under warranty. You just pop them out like so. They come right out. You can see there's a nylon axle in there in this hard plastic case. They snap right back in just as easy as they came out. These are also drain holes. That's if water gets in between the frame and the glass, it's going to drain out of the bottom. That's going to prevent your water from settling against the bottom of the glass and premature failure. So while you have the glass out, you're going to just inspect your track for any debris, dirt, anything like that, and this would be your time to clean it. So what we do to clean and maintain our windows at home, and before the guys leave, they'll use a furniture polish and do a light coat of that. Furniture polish would wipe everything out. This would be your typical lemon type furniture polish. This one here is orange, but that's stuff that you put on your family room, dining table, that kind of thing. Furniture polish, wiping that on the window sash and on the, cleans everything up, gives it that nice smooth, friction-free operation that you're after in your window, that you want it to operate like new all the time. So then for cleaning on the glass, same kind of thing. You can use regular Windex, or you can use the spray foam type stuff that we've got. But your windows are basically just like any other window you're going to want to take care of. Just keeping all that dust and debris out of there is going to keep them operating well. Keeping them clean is a great thing. Okay, now the screen, last kind of thing with your window. You're going to want to take it out to clean it, that kind of thing. Got this little groove, we call it the finger pull. You can use your hand to help compress. There's springs in here. Kind of compress it, push it out, and you can keep full control over it. Okay, these little springs are what I'm talking about that hold the screen in place. As you pull it in, it kind of locks into a groove here. The springs sit in a channel here. So I'm going to drop that back in, put it back in place. Again, if you, my best with my limited wrist to do it that way. Switch my hand so I have a better angle. I have tough motion on my wrists. Anyway, that's it for the screen. Super easy. Drop them back in. Your window's clean. Your screen's all in and out. Sashes come in and out. Different kind of locks. Everything's under warranty with most all of these new windows. We do appreciate you watching the channel. We'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Any of that comments below, all that stuff is great for us. And if you do want to see anything in the future, different kinds of windows or doors, operational things, repair things, let us know. We'll put it in the mix. Thank you.